Welcome back. In today's video, we will see what is lead scoring in Salesforce and how to set up lead score in Salesforce using formula fields. And first of all, I would like you all to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are enjoying the content. As you can see on the screen, I have already calculated lead score here, and here I am using some parameters. Based on that, the individual scores of these parameters are calculated, and then in the lead score we are totaling these all values and showing it here, and based on this lead score we are showing an image to differentiate between various leads. So let's first understand what is lead scoring, and then we will see how to set up this lead scoring system in Salesforce. So lead score is a method used by sales and marketing teams to rank potential customers on their readiness to buy. Lead scoring helps you prioritize leads by assigning them score based in various parameters or criteria. This allows your sales team to focus on the most promising leads, making your sales process more efficient and effective. As you can see, by setting up lead scoring system, you can evaluate leads based on factors like as you can see on screen, title, number of employees, industries, engagement level, lead source, or any other parameter as per your choice. So this is what lead scoring mean in Salesforce. Now let's understand what are the various parameters which or the criteria which we have decided for this lead scoring system, and how to create this formula field and show this image and the total score in your page layout. So I will go to my Word document and I will show you the parameters which we are using for calculating the lead score. As you can see, we are using 5 parameters: job title, company size, industry, engagement level, and lead source. So these are the 5 parameters. Based on that, we will be calculating the lead score, and these 5 parameters will go through some criteria to find the individual score, and then we will sum all the score to find out the total lead score. So as you can see, if the job title contains manager, then we will use +2 as the score for that job title score. And if the title contains director, vice president, or any C level like CEO or CTO, then we will use 4, 6, or 10 points respectively. Similar for company size, if the number of employees in the company is between 1 to 50, then 2 points, 51 to 200, 4 points, 201 to 1000, 6 points, and if there are more than 1000 employees, then we are using 10 points for that. And all the individual score are calculated out of 10. Now for industry, if the industry of a lead is from technology, healthcare, finance, education, and other, then +10, 8, 6, 4, and 2 points are calculated respectively. And for engagement level field, here we have decided these parameters. Like if the engagement level is equal to not engaged, then 0 points will be given. And if the email is open, then 2 point, link click 4 point, website visit 6 points, and form submission 10 points. Now for lead source, we are having some values like if the lead source is partner referral, then we will give 10 points, web, phone inquiry, social media, other, then we will give 8, 6, 4, and 2 points respectively. Now to calculate final lead score, we will calculate the sum of all the scores, and then to display this lead scoring image, if the lead score is greater than 35, then we will show the green image. If the lead score is greater than 20, then we will show yellow image. And if lead score is less than 20, then we will show the red image. So now let's go to our Salesforce org and see the various formula which I have already configured. So for job title, this is the parameter. Now let's see the formula. So for job title, so I will find the, so this is the formula field which I have created, which will return a number for title score. And now here is the score which, here is the formula which I have created. Let's see the formula. So as you can see, if the title is C level, like C level or CEO or CTO or CFO or COO, then we have to provide 10 points. Else, if the title contains vice president or VP, then we will give 6 points. If it contains director, 4 points, and if it contains manager, then 2 points. Otherwise, we will give 0 point. So if you can see here on this manager, on this title field, this value is manager and it is giving 2 points. If I change the value from manager to, I think, CEO, then the score, title score will change, and based on that, this total lead score will also change. Let me show you. So as you can see, title score is 10 and then 10 is added to it, and the new score is shown here. Now let's see the other formula. Let me pause here for 2 seconds so you can see the formula, and then I will move ahead. Okay, cancel. Next parameter is company size. So let's go to fields and relationship and find employee score. You can see on screen employee score is visible. Let me click on edit and show you the formula. So here, as you can see, if the number of employees are greater than 1001, then we have to show 10 points. If it is greater than equal to 2001, then 6. If greater than equal to 51, then 4. If greater than equal to number of employees is greater than equal to 1, then 2. And if the number of employee is less than 1, then we have to show 0. So if I go to the lead record, and here you can see number of employees at 100. If I make it as 0, then this employee score will be 0. Let me click on save, and based on that, this lead score is also updated. Now let's go to the industry field. So for industry field, I will go here, fields and relationship, and the name of the field is industry score. So let's search for it. Industry score. Let's click on this, and again we have used, I think it is a pick list, so here are the various things. Let me click on edit and show you. So if the industry is technology, then 10 points. If it is healthcare, then 8 points. If it is finance, then 6 points. If it is education, then 4 points. And if it doesn't match these 4 values, then for any other value, the points will be 2. So let us go to this industry value, and the technology is selected. Let's select something else like healthcare and click on save. As you can see, the score is updated. It is 8. And if I choose some other values like electronics, then it will show 2 points. And we are in the red category because the total score is less than 20. Less than or equal to 20. Now let's go to the next value, which is engagement level. So again, we will go to fields and relationship and click on engagement level score. This is the, so here it is a pick list field. That is why I am using is pick value, but you can also use the case formula which we have shown in the example related to industry. So let's click on edit and see what are the various score being given. So if the pick list value is form submission, then give 10 score. If it is website visit, then 6. Link click 4. Email open 2, and not engaged 0. And if all these 5 values are not found, then also the score will be 0. So let's go to the record page, and if engagement level is link click, then it is 4. So let's change it to some other value and see the output. So I will click on email open and click on save, and as you can see, we are at 2 score. Let me also change to something else like website visit and click on save. It is engagement level score is 6. Also the total score is 22, which is greater than 20. That is why we are seeing the yellow image. Now let's see the last one, which is lead source. So let's go to fields and relationship and find source and lead source score. Here I will click on edit. Again, this is a pick list value, pick list field, and we are using the case formula for it. So if lead source is partner referral, then 10 points web, then 8 points phone inquiry, then 6 point social media, 4 points other, 2 point, and if these 5 values are not matched, then it will be 0 points. So let's go back to our lead score, and here it is social media, that is why it is 4 point. Let's change the value to something else. I will change it to partner referral because we have set 10 points for it, so it should change to 10, and this should be equal to I think 28. Let's click on save, and as you can see it is 28. Lead scoring image is the same because the criteria is different. Let me show you the criteria. So if lead score is greater than 35, then we will show the green image. If it is greater than 20, then we will show the yellow image, else we will show the red image. So we have already seen the red and yellow. I will show the green image by updating the various fields of lead object record. So first of all, let me show you the lead score formula and the lead score image formula. So lead score, which is the sum of all the scores. So it is just adding all the score fields values. As you can see, we are adding this all values here. Let me click on edit and show you. It is loading, and as you can see, we are just adding all the values. And if we go to the lead score image formula, so then we are using the image formula here. Lead scoring image. Here we have uploaded all the 3 images in the static resource. If you want to learn more about showing image into the formula field, then you can check my video specific to that topic, and I will also link the video into the I button. Let me click on the edit. Here we are checking if lead score is greater than 35, then try to show this image, and if the image is not loaded because of some reason, then it will show this alternate text. Again, if lead score is greater than 20, then show yellow image, and if the image is unable to load, then we will show this alternate text. And same if if the score is less than 20, then it is red, and if the image is not able to load, then we will show the red text. So click on cancel, and now let's go to here. So let me change the values of number of employees to I think 1002, and click on save, and by the time I change, it will show you the green image. So this is how you can set up lead scoring in Salesforce by using various formula fields. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.